How to download songs on Spotify. Hello everybody, in order to do so you may follow up this step. So open up Spotify first, and then once you open up Spotify in your device, you should be finding this interface. Now, if you're trying to download songs on Spotify, you need to have the latest version, the pro version of Spotify. So if you don't have the pro version yet, what you can do is, from the given interface, tap on the premium version in the bottom right corner. And once you do that, here we have this get started option. You can tap on it, or you may scroll down and look for plans here. So we have 1 month for US $0. Similarly, we have other premium versions. So what you can do is simply head over to the premium version that you would like and then go ahead and purchase it. You may tap on get started, and after tapping on it, you may go ahead and continue with the payment process and check out and purchase the premium version of Spotify. Once the premium version of Spotify is downloaded, what you can do is you may find the download version directly in the song. Or if you can't find it there, what you can do is you may head over to your library section in the bottom right. And after tapping on it, you may head over to one of the playlists. And then once you head over to the playlist, you should be finding a download button right under your playlist name. Just go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, you may go ahead and download the Spotify playlist into your device, and that's it. So that's it for now. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.